Hi everybody, it is Matt Blake, the sales manager here at Zilla Wraps, and I want to give you guys a little video here to explain the importance of having both a professional design and a professional installation done on your vehicle wrap, and I'm going to do it showing you the vehicle right behind me. So we have the You've Got Made's Kia Soul here, and it's a very cool design. It's all over full wrap, and one of the very cool things to note about this design is how this water texture goes all the way around the vehicle. It lines up, it looks great, and everything ties together. You see how that follows the body line of the vehicle. And so when you're designing a wrap, designing it so that these things all line up once they're installed is not a simple task. It's not like designing a flat piece of artwork or a business card or a flyer or something like that. So we have our installers and our designers who know how the artwork lays out so that it'll fit on the vehicle properly. It's a very good example of that. This artwork is also a perfect example of why you want to have professional installation done on your wrap. So you can see that everywhere there's a seam in this vehicle, everywhere there's a gap, this artwork still lines up. You can't tell where the artwork breaks. And that's a great thing, and having professional installers who have experience and who are certified, who've gone through training and know what they're doing, can make sure that that line of the suds on this car stays consistent all the way around the car. They have the experience, they have the tools, they have the know-how to make sure that your artwork that you took the time to get professionally designed looks great when it's installed on the vehicle. So those are a couple reasons you want to make sure you get a professional job on your wrap. Thanks for checking out this little video. We're going to be putting out more videos for you guys every month, telling different things about wraps and the graphics and taking care of them for your vehicle wraps and all your graphics. So be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for checking us out.